Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen, you've got telephone there, or you've got menu. If we click on menu, we can go to telephone, click on telephone, and you've got Bluetooth devices here. Scroll down to Bluetooth devices, click on Bluetooth devices, and then you've got Bluetooth add new device. Now if you're struggling to pair a mobile, always make sure there's a tick in that Bluetooth, so you can do the same thing. But here we're onto Barry's iPhone, and there's a little thing at the side there. If we knock it sideways, you've then got the option to go onto the split screen, switch off control, configure device, or remove device, and that's what we want. We want to remove a device. It's a bit confusing. Click remove device, that's it, my phone's gone.